Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I synchronize a Google Sheet with Card Table in Basecamp. We're going to use this custom tool I call Syncopotamus. Let's just jump straight in. So here I have my Google Sheet with all the information I want to transfer into Card Table. So I'm going to go to the dashboard, and I already have the sync job set up, and I could have as many as I want. And over here, I'm going to click on the arrow that goes from the Google Sheet to Basecamp. And there it goes. So let's go back to the sheet. And what this is doing is creating a card based on each row. And the name of the card is going to be based on this column called name, which makes sense. It will also group them based on this other column that's called status. And this is customizable, of course. I just want to show you how it works. But what about all this other information? Well, let's go into a card and let's see what it did. Here you can see that it basically turned them into a list. But it's a little bit smarter than that, because you can see here that it detected that this is a link, so I can click here and it will go to that video. Something else that it did that you probably already noticed is that this card is assigned to me. It did that based on this other special column that in this case is called assigned, but it can be anything like artist or whatever. And you can put the name of the person that you want to assign that card to, and it will look for it. If you use the full name, is the easiest, but there's no other Carlos, so it's just going to assign it to me. If you want to unassign a card, you can just put a dash in it and it will remove all the assignments. So that is a huge time saver, especially if you have a lot of cards. And actually, that's the main reason this whole thing came to be. We were working on this project and we had like over 300 cards, and it's great to have them in Basecamp because it allows for better collaboration with the whole team. But especially because a bunch of these have a lot of repetitive information, entering this one by one times 300 would have been a big pain in the butt. So the idea is that entering the data, it's something that Google Sheets is really good at, because you can, copy paste or extend the series. For example, in these, if I had like 3 more of these, I can just drag these down and then it'll create more. Whereas in Basecamp, that would be a bit of a pain. So it's much easier to create them in Google Sheets and then transfer them and enter them into the workflow with the whole team once they're in Basecamp. And the cool thing is that it also works in reverse. Like, let's move all these 4 to review. And then I can synchronize back from Basecamp to Google Sheets. And I'm going to click here. And if I go to Google Sheets, you will see that those that say in progress, which is these 4, they just changed to review. And that's it, at least for the basics. There are other cool options and an integration with Frame.io for thumbnails and comments, etc. But this is just a quick overview. It's very simple to use, but very powerful, and it really has been a time saver. Up until now, this has been an internal tool that we've been using for, I want to say, a year, and we've been testing it with our real projects ever since. If you are interested, check the link in the description and enter your email, and we'll notify you when it's available for everyone to use it. Right now, it works really well in terms of the core functionality, but in order for other people to use it, it needs some work to add normal web service features like, the ability to have other users, among other things. So enter your email to be notified when it's ready, and subscribe to the channel for other videos about the other options and features that I didn't show in this very quick overview. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.